Hi everyone. Now we learn fourth social studies, lesson 1 Northern Mountains. The topic is Greater Himalayas called Himadri and Middle or Lesser Himalayas called Himachal. Let's start. Previous session question answers are: what do include in the Northern Mountain? So Northern Mountain include Himalayas and the Karakoram mountain ranges. Second question, name the three parallel range of Himalayas. Answer is 1. The Greater Himalayas, Himadri. Second, the Lesser Himalayas, Himachal. Third, the Outer Himalayas, Shivalik. And the third, fill in the blanks. Himalayan range is the highest mountain range in the world. The Himalayan ranges in India stretch from Ladakh in the north to Arunachal Pradesh in the northeast. Let's start today's session. So glaciers. Several glaciers originate from this mountain. So originate means form. So many rivers such as Ganga and Yamuna are birth or originate from this glacier. So everybody understand Ganga river originate from the glacier. What is glacier? It's like a solid part of the ice. If it melts, it can generate or form the river. So Mount Everest. So Mount Everest, that is the highest peak of the Himalaya or the mountain of the Himalaya. That height is 8,850 kilometer. So it is the highest peak of the world and it is located in the Nepal. Remember, Mount Everest is located in the Nepal. So the Kanchenjunga, which is height is 8,586 meter, and the Nanda Devi, the height is 7,816 meters, are the main or prominent peaks in the Indian part of Himalayas. So whatever the Himalayan Indian part, which consists two highest mountain, one is Kanchenjunga 8,586 meter and Nanda Devi 7,860 meter. So first we have to learn about the Greater Himalaya, that is called Himadri. So Himadri being the longest continuous mountain range. So you can understand Himadri is the longest continuous mountain range, dominates a large section of Himalayas, and Himadri is the northernmost range. Its total length is about how many kilometer? 2,500 kilometer. Remember, what is the length of Greater Himalayas, Himadri? So that is about 2,500 kilometer. So it is very long. So this is between it there is a 150 kilometer and 400 kilometer wide and forms a natural boundary. So this Himadri form the boundary between the two countries like India and China. So this Himadri is the highest range with an average altitude of over 6,000 meter. So from the ground, from the soil or ground surface, it is how many meters above? Over 600 meters. 6,000 meter. How many? 6,000 meters is above from the ground. The range is always covered with the snow. So you can see that this is the Himadri surface. So it is a range, a chain which is continuously covered with the snow. Why? Because it continuously falls snow. Snowfall is continuously there. So that's why that is covered with snow. Glaciers. The range is always covered with the snow as it receives heavy snowfall. So you can see that this range is always covered with the snow due to the continuously like rainfall. What fall there? Snow. So what is in the glacier? At some places you can see that this is a place where huge masses of ice. So you can see that this is a huge masses of ice move down from the mountain. It is a mountain, and from the mountain the huge mass or big part of the ice is slope or snow slope down. So this is called glaciers. So this is the glacier which is the mass of ice. So this, when this glacier reach the plain, so now these glaciers, they are traveling in the water, and when they reach near the plain, so they melt down, and when the ice melt down, you know that water is formed and that flow the river. So you know that how the river flow. When the glaciers reach the plain, that ice is melted down and that flow as the rivers. Some of the highest peaks above the 8,000 meter, including in the Mount Everest and Kanchenjunga, are found here. So in the Himadri, you know that more than 8,000 meter, there are two peaks or mountain there. One is the Mountain Everest, and second is that Kanchenjunga. This range is region of the perpetual snow cover. So you can see that it is always permanent. Perpetual means permanent. So you can see that completely here all the year only snow is covered there. And so here is no plant. So you can see that there is no trees, no plant, no shrub, only mosses is present there and lichen is there. That is the fungi and algae combination. So farming is not possible in the Himadri. Why? Because the region is always covered with the snow. You can see that this is the ice and we cannot grow plant on the ice. So pit stop. So it is your activity. You have to do this work. Make a list of highest peak of the Himalayas by the use of internet. Search the internet and make a list of the highest mountain of the Himalayas. So already there two mountains is given here, Mount Everest and Kanchenjunga. The first men to climb Mount Everest were Tenzing Norgay and Edmund Hillary. So you can see that these are the men who first climbed the Mount Everest, that is Tenzing Norgay and Edmund Hillary. The first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest was Bechendri Pal. So you can see that this is the Bechendri Pal, who is the first Indian woman who climbed that Mount Everest. Remember the names. The second part of the Himalayas, so it is called Middle or Lesser Himalayas or Himachal. Himachal range is located between the Himadri and Shivalik. So it extends or spread from the west to the east with an average altitude of 3,700 meters. So what is the height from the ground? 3,700 to 4,500 meters. So you can understand. So this range, whatever the Himachal, we call that is above the ground, that is 3,700 meter to 4,500 meter, and its width is about 80 kilometer. And this Himachal is lower than Himadri. You can simply understand that Himadri has 8,000 meter, but the Himachal is only 3,700 meter to 4,500 meter. So this Himachal mountain range has some beautiful valleys. So you can remember the beautiful valley names of Himachal. Chamba, second is Kullu, and third is Kangra. And there are very famous hill stations present in the Himachal, like one Shimla, Mussoorie, Nainital, Almora and Darjeeling. Remember it. So hill station, what is in the hill station? Hill station are the area or the place where the temperature is very less or comfortable or cool. So people from the plain or other parts of the area visit the hill station to get free from the summer heat. So during the summer heat, people visit to the hill station to feel the comfortable there or rest there. Some important mountain passes like Rohtang and Zojila of the Himachal Pradesh are found in this region. So in the Himachal Pradesh, there is some important mountain ranges like Rohtang and Zojila you find there. So this Himachal range has the thick forest. You can see that the forest which present in the Himachal is thick, that are covered with the 4 types of tree. So remember, name the trees which are present in the Himachal forest. One is the pine, second is oak, third is deodar, and the 4 is fir. And the climate of this region is suitable for cultivation or agriculture. So in this Himachal, the people can do the agriculture or farming. And you know that during the snowfall, the winter are so cold and summers are cool and pleasant. So people visit in summer to take a escape from the summer from the plain. The lower slope of these regions have orchards. So you can see that the apple we eat, that it is mostly come from the Himachal and Jammu Kashmir. Okay. So this is the orchard, means fruit plants. So there are so many fruit plants are present in the Himachal. And second is that the tea plantation are found in the eastern parts of the range. So Assam. So in that we can see that the farmers grow the tea leaves, so which is can be useful to make tea. So in this way we learn the Himadri and Himachal. So these are the question answer you have to learn and write. The question number 1. Describe the Greater Himalayas in 2 sentences. Means you have to write the 2 sentences about the Greater Himalayas. Second question, what is in the glacier? Give the definition of glacier. Third question, describe the Himachal with 2 sentences. Here also same, write the 2 sentences about the Himachal. Fourth question, name the famous hill station of the Himachal. And the fifth one is that name some beautiful valleys of Himachal. Okay, learn it and write it. Thank you.